Hey guys, what's up? My name is Ankit and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to learn how you can create an error 404 page in Elementor. So basically, if you have noticed, if you visit any website and you click on a page or an article on a website that doesn't exist on the website now, so you'll be redirected to a page which looks like something like this, which says error 404 page or this page doesn't exist. So we gonna know how exactly you can create this page. So whenever a user clicks on any article or link that doesn't exist on your website right now, so how you can redirect that user to a error 404 page. So we gonna know how you can create this page in Elementor Pro. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Okay, so now we are on the computer screen and now we can learn how you can create a error 404 page in Elementor Pro. Okay, so now go to your WordPress dashboard and from down here in templates, if you have Elementor Pro, then you would have an option from your templates and then click here add new, and after that you will be redirected to this page where it would ask you to create a new template. So basically this is going to be a template that you're gonna create, and you can use this template on, if you have multiple websites you can also use that, but for that you need to have an upgrade plan of Elementor Pro. Okay, so that's a different thing. So from here in new template, so from here you have the options, click select, and you have see in Elementor Pro you have a lot of these options that you can create. You can create a page, you can create a section, loop, pop-up, a header, footer, and different things. So we can click error 404 page, error 404, and you can enter a template name. It's optional, but we're gonna enter a simple name which is error 404 template. Okay, so now click create template. So Elementor Pro is a really great website builder. So if you use WordPress to build your websites, you must use Elementor Pro, because with Elementor Pro you can create stunning websites with very ease. Okay, I think you just buy a hosting and within 2 days you can create an amazing and responsive blogs with animations and all these things that takes a longer time if you hire developers or you do coding and build websites. So with Elementor it's really great. There are a lot of actually many website builders, but Elementor Pro is really great. And also you get you see, so now we here after clicking create template, here are all the options of ready-made templates that you can use on your website. Or if you don't want to use these templates, you can create your own template also in Elementor Pro. But for this video I'm just going to use a ready-made template. You can see these are all pro. So if you use only Elementor is basically a free plugin. Their upgrade plan is Elementor Pro. So these are all the templates that are available in Elementor Pro. But if you only use Elementor, you would not have access to these premium templates. And not only the 404 error pages, you can create a lot of different templates in Elementor Pro. Okay, so now we're gonna click on this. Let's say you can choose anyone for this video. I'm gonna choose this template. Okay, so if you want to view this template, you can click on this magnifying icon and you can see the error 404 page is going to look like this. So now on the top you can click insert. Okay, so now your 404 page is inserted. And from this if we do not make any changes, as you can see our 404 error page is created. Okay, you see, just take 5 minutes, hardly 5 minutes to create this 404 error page. You can see it's really easy with Elementor Pro. So now if you want to make changes in this page, we can also do that. Okay, let's say I want to change this image and add any other image, but before that let me show you the error 404 page in my website. Okay, so this is my website, and after my domain, after giving a slash, let's say I type just any random numbers or letters. Okay, and I hit enter. As you can see, I'm redirected to error 404 page in my website. So this is the error 404 page in my website, and you can see it says page not found. The page you're looking for couldn't be found. So after that I have a button here, go back to home page, and if I click that, I'll be redirected to my homepage of my website. Okay, so this is done. Now I'm going to show you. So this is the same template that I've used on my website, which I'm demonstrating you right now. Okay, now I want to change the image of this. Okay, so from here you have this option, which is edit column. You click this, and in the sidebar you just go to style, and as you can see in image you have this image. But if you want any other image, you just click on this, and you have the option to upload any image you want, or else if you have any image that you want to use, if you have it in the media library, you can use that. So these are all the photos that I've used on my website, some in articles or that. So this was the image that I've used on my website, and if you want to add any other image, you can do that. So after clicking on this, I just click insert media. See, it's really simple. So now my image is inserted on my this page, and my page looks quite similar to the one on my website. So from here, as you can see, the image is inserted right here. And now let's say you want to change this 404 and add something else, or if you want to change this text, you have to add something else. Just click on this pencil icon on the top right side top, and here if you want to add any other thing, you can do that. Let's say I want this page to be removed, so I just remove this. See, the page is now removed. Okay, so I write it once again, and now you can also if you go to style, you can change the text color. If you go to typography, you can change the font size or the font family. Any other font you want to change, you can also all do that from here. And now if you want to now edit this button, so whenever the user click on this button, you want them to be redirected to your website. So you just click on this pencil icon once again, and here in text you can change the button text. So as you can see, it's written here, go back to home page, or if you want to write something else, you can edit it from here. And in link here, you have to put your your domain name or any other specific page that you have on your website. You want to redirect user to redirect it to that page, you can do that from here. Let's say I just put here my website name, which is anikbind.com. okay, so I put here this domain name, and after I click here publish, so it would be saved, and whenever the user click on this button, it would be redirected to my website. Okay, so this is a very basic 404 error page. And now after you have completed all these things, now we're gonna click on publish. So you have completed this error page, and now how do we set this page so that whenever the user clicks on anything, any page or any article which is not present on our website, how do you redirect the user to this particular page? So this all things will be handled by Elementor Pro. So now after finishing all this, you can just click publish. Okay, so it's ask you where do you want to display your template. So from here we're gonna click on add condition. Just do exactly what I'm telling. So from here click on this and go down and click on 404 page. Okay, and now click on save and close, and after that whenever you and you just click save and close. Okay, and now you go to your website, open your website, and after your domain give a slash and type something randomly. Okay, just random letters or something, and click enter. You do it right now. Okay, by watching the video simultaneously, do that, and it will be redirected to this page, the new 404 error page which you just created right now. And if we click on this button, okay, you see I'm redirected to my home page. So this is very easy on Elementor Pro. Okay, so now till here I am sure you have understood how to exactly build a error 404 page. Not just error 404 page, you can build the entire website using Elementor Pro. If you see my website, this is my website. I have built exactly entire website using Elementor Pro. It's really easy. You can create a stunning website just 2 to 5 days. It doesn't take any time. You just drag and drop and change something, or if you if you do not want to do also that, you can use the ready-made templates that they have in their Pro version. So if you want to buy Elementor Pro, I have the link down below in the video description. Click it and buy it. And also the Elementor Pro plan is quite cheap. If you want to use it for your one website, it would cost you around 4,000 rupees a year. So invest in that if you're making a WordPress website, and you can create some stunning websites. Also, if you have any doubts regarding this tutorial, then leave the doubts in the comment section. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Also, like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel for more such content. If you want to follow me on social media, then I have my social media handle down below in the video description. So click and follow me. That's simple. Okay, so now that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then,